let's now do case assignment rule to actually clarify things about how you can set up case assignments in Salesforce. Then you go to case assignments. From the case assignment now, you type in the setup, you type in case assignment. Yeah, case assignment rule. Under case assignment rule, you'll be able to create new case. This is a standard one. And what do we do when we're setting up case assignment? Anyone, you can only have one active case assignment at a time within your platform. Then you need to do what? To deactivate the existing one before you now set up the new one. Or you set up the new one, then you deactivate the old one and activate the new one. Let me set up, immediately we set it up and say active. If we click this active now, that means the old one is not going to be working again. Now let me call this one new case assignment rule. New case or case assignment rule. Then let me call it one. Then I click save. Now I will go back and click on it again now to now add entries to it. This is where now I can now say, there are so many criteria I can add to it. I can add so many. I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. But when you want to sort it out, which order do you want to follow? Is it the first one you want that rule to check first? It simply means that this case assignment, you can set it up to say, okay, Mr. Let's say if the case origin is web or is web equal to web. That means if it's coming from the website, then that's the false criteria. And I said this is number one. To route it from number one, this is the number one way. This is number one criteria that I just set up now. I can as well set up number two. If the first condition is not met, then second conditions in terms of this criteria now, let's say I set that one as a case origin. Let's say if the case reason is equal to performance or breakdown, or breakdown. This is another case. This is another criteria now. This is one. This is two. So if I say sorted order now, if I say two, that means it will start from two. It's going to check for this criteria number two first. If it matches the condition that I set, then good. If it doesn't match it, it will now go to the next one. Like that. Even when they are up to 5, you continue to check like that. That's what it means. We are done with it. We are okay with that too. If you want to set up more criteria more than that, we can always do that, but it's not necessary now. We have user, you have query, you have queue. You can as well assign case assignment to queue and user. The way you can assign lead assignment to user and queue, you can as well assign case assignment role to user or queue. Then when you have this, you can say, okay, let me use user now. Then I look for users that are available on my platform. Jack Krish is there. That means this should be assigned, should be routed to Jack Krish. We actually set up this one the other time. I don't need to do email template again. If we don't, let's just pick up one that is related to it. Support, new customer email, case assignment notification. Yeah, let me just put it, case assignment notification. I just used one there, but we all know how to set it up like now because we did like one or two the other time. Optionally select predefined case themes. No, this is not necessary. I think we are good now. I can say, okay, save. That is it. That means we set up our case assignment role, and the case assignment role that is being set up, case original is equal to this, and case reason is equal to breakdown. It should be assigned to Jack Krish if that happens. That is how you set up case assignment.
Alright, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.